lovely parents, grandparents, respected chief guests, and our dearest teachers. Your love, support, and the very presence mean the world to us.
So true! Wow, look at this round. Dear audience, are you ready for the evening? Come on, louder! How's the Josh? How's the Josh?
Oh my God, what an energy! But Shlok, what do you think? Can the crowd's energy match the friends' energy who are ready to rock the stage?
Audience, what do you say? But Reyanshi, every special celebration needs a meaningful beginning, right?
Of course, in our school too, every single day before our classes starts, even before prayer, we begin by seeking peace, good health, harmony for everyone.
Yes, our campus wakes up to calming words of the Shanti Mantra every morning.
So today, just like we begin our mornings at school, our friends of grade 1 are ready to present a soulful performance for Shanti Mantra to seek blessings and good energy for the evening ahead.
Dear all, let us welcome our friends with a big round of applause
as they set the tone for a beautiful celebration ahead.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां